नमस्कार. सडेतोड नायक कार्यावळीक तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार दिता. आज आमचे मदीं एक बरो गेस्ट आसा. बरो गेस्ट म्हणटा तेन्ना आमी म्हणटात तेन्ना आमकां इंटरव्यू घेवपाक बरो. ताजे कडल्यान आमकां चड म्हायती मेळटा. ताजे कडेन आमी कांय कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन विचारपाक शकतात आनी ताजे कडल्यान आमकां कांय बऱ्यो जापूय मेळूंक शकतात. कारण आलेस बाब सिकेरा हो सडेतोड उलोवपा खातीर फामाद. तो कोणाची भीड मरवत दवरना आनी आपल्या मनान जें पळय कितें आहा तें सरळ उक्तें करता. तो आतां BJPन गेलो तरी BJPन एक शिस्त म्हणून एक प्रकार आसता. यू नो वॉट इज शिस्त. तुवें कितेंय उलोवपा जायना. पूण आलेस सिकेर हो राजकारणान आयला तेन्नाच्यान तो सडेतोड आनी स्पश्ट वक्तो म्हणून फामाद आसा. तो मंत्री आसतनाय स्पश्ट उलयतालो. तेन्ना म्हजो पयलो क्वेश्चन आलेश बाब, कंपल्शन्स कितें जालीं तुका BJPन येवपाक? कारण तुजी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज नॉट ए BJP कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. थंय वखदाक एक दोन मतां आसत.
I agree with you. That is why it was a very difficult decision to take.
Yes.
As I've said earlier, there were two groups of people. One that said, you have made election commitments, election promises.
Yes.
We expect you to deliver on those promises. You may ask me, why did I make those promises? I made the promises because I assumed, and I thought I was pretty confident also, that the Congress would form a government in Goa.
Yes.
As he said, man proposes, God disposes. To my dismay,
Yeah.
on 10th of March, we were faced with reality where we couldn't form a government. We won only 11 seats.
Yes.
6 months passed. I have not been able to do much work in the constituency. So as I said, there were two groups. One saying deliver. Another section of the voters, my well-wishers, also told me, we don't care if you can't deliver, but you stay with the Congress. In this confusion, for me it was a dilemma.
Yes.
Oblige you or oblige them. What to do?
What do you mean by deliver?
Deliver means I have said I will. For example, when I was power minister, we had taken boys on contract in the power department.
Yeah.
This was not something started by me. This was going on from the time when Mr. Digambar Kamath was the power minister.
Yes.
It went on, okay? And there were boys that had been taken by him also on contract, that were still on contract.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we had created posts during our tenure for these boys to be made permanent, to be absorbed in the system, and put an end to contract workers. If I remember correctly, we had created some 600 odd posts to accommodate these 600 odd boys who were on contract.
From your constituency?
No, all over Goa. All over Goa. All over Goa.
Yeah.
Then when we lost in 2012, BJP government came to power. In fact, if you refer to the cabinet minutes for approval of these posts, it was clearly mentioned that these posts are being created to absorb the boys and discontinue with contract workers.
Yes.
When our late, my dear friend, Mr. Parikar came to power, he again went back to the cabinet and he got this condition undone.
Okay.
So permanent posts were advertised, but the posts that were meant for these boys, in those posts, others were taken in. This is one type. There was another section of boys who were selected, who were issued appointment letters,
And not taken.
who went.
No, Alish Babu,
No, one second. Let me. This is very important. They were posted. They underwent medical. They got clearance from police. From
yes.
No, everything.
Yes.
It was normal procedure.
Yes.
Due to election code, suddenly the then election commissioner here in Goa issues an order, keep this post in abeyance. Till today, those boys are there in abeyance.
Waiting. But tell me, how many from the electricity department the second time How many altogether people?
How many altogether? As of now, there are about 300 boys.
Oh, for 300 people, you have switched on the party? You
No,
changed the party?
it is not because of these boys only.
Okay.
You asked me what type of commitments.
Yes.
This was one of the commitments.
Yeah.
This
So
was the major
this
commitment.
is that way a small commitment. Because changing a party.
Small by your standards. See, I will tell you, there are so many issues. There are so many issues with which I have to fight. I have to fight with this government, even though I am in the party now.
Okay.
It's not going to be an easy
But
task.
then this is going to be suicide for you politically.
I don't know whether it's going to be suicide. I've got 4.5 years.
Yes.
Maybe it could be a bonus for the BJP.
How?
How? We will work. We will deliver.
You think your constituency is going to vote for BJP in 2024?
Prior to these 8 people joining BJP,
Yeah.
8 including me.
Yeah.
How many Catholics are not there in the BJP party?
आसात पूण आमी पळयलां आतां this election 2022 election majority people have been defeated.
Majority people have been defeated is okay. Don't compare majority to Alice Sequoia. I know my ability.
Okay.
I will definitely deliver on all my commitments to the people.
Okay. But हांव तेच म्हणटा commitment.
I agree.
Yeah.
I have hurt some people.
Some
with
people.
this decision.
Majority, you don't say
No,
it is
I will
majority.
not say majority. I can see this in front of me.
Yes.
You please tell me how many are from Nuvai constituency. Please tell me.
No, हांव तशें म्हणना, but this is
No,
representative.
how insat nahi toka.
This is
You are talking about Nuvai constituency. How many are from Nuvai constituency?
आमचे कडेन काँग्रेस, दिस इज काँग्रेस एक मोबिलायझेशन जायना, पूण वोटींग करता आसतना लोक सारके सादूर जावन सारके चिंतून
That
वोटींग
is okay. I definitely believe the voter is intelligent.
Yes.
I am not saying the voters, you can take the voter for granted. Please don't misunderstand. I am not saying that.
Yes.
I am trying to say that by the end of, what do I say, 5 years or 4.5 years down the line,
Yes.
the voter will be convinced that what the decision I took was the best decision in their interest.
So this is some kind of a regular everybody defects and give the same.
I don't know about the others.
About some people.
I
give
don't know about the
exam-
others. Well, boss, let me make one thing clear. I have not taken a naya paisa from anybody.
But there are rumors.
Rumors to hell. You may believe. I can't convince you. How do I convince you?
No. It's
I
very difficult.
I know my predicament. I know what my plight.
Yes.
I know what I'm going through.
But they must have given you some assurance.
What assurance? Nothing.
Minister.
No, they have assured me that they will do all my work.
Okay. And ministry.
Nobody has promised me anything.
But then there are rumors. Rumors.
Rumors. Who are created the rumors? Are you all press people?
No, not press.
आपण?
See, आमची press and
See,
सगळं म्हणतात.
unfortunately,
हय.
आज पासून म्हाका कोणे बीजेपीन तुले कोणे सांगू ना तू म्हाका मिनिस्टर कोत्ताय म्हणून.
Okay. पण
सांगताय
everybody
तू.
is writing. Everybody is writing.
Who is
Only
writing?
person
Who is
given
writing?
assurance.
Who is writing is press.
All the newspapers.
Press.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Press.
Not
a functionary of BJP.
आलेश बाब एक कोंकणी म्हणणे आहा, दोंगर येता थंय खंय तरी उजो लागिल्लो आसता.
मानता. They cannot be a smoke without a fire.
Yes.
I accept that.
Yes.
But I am telling you,
हय.
I don't know where the fire is coming from. The smoke is coming from.
Okay.
Because I have not been assured anything.
बरें. आनी एक क्वेश्चन लोकांच्या मनान आहा तो असो, हांव विचारना, लोक म्हणटात की आलेश बाब हो गोंयच्या कॅथलीक चर्चाक व्हेरी लागीं आशिल्लो मनीस आनी कॅथलीक चर्चीक लागून ताका ह्या वेळार इलेक्शनाक तिकेट दिली आनी इलेक्शनाक तिकेट दिली म्हणून तो कारण इट्स ए काँग्रेस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
See, I have-
तो जिखून आयलो.
I have, as far as the church is concerned, as far as my religion is concerned,
Yes.
I am not going to discuss my religion on a TV channel.
Okay.
This is point number one.
Okay.
As far as the Catholic Church is concerned,
Yes.
whatever help I can be
Yes.
to the Catholic Church,
Yes.
even today,
Yes.
they can count on me. Okay? And it will be my endeavor to, if the church is willing to accept me, to be a link between the church and the government. I said subject to the church willing to accept me.
Church will always accept you.
No, I don't know.
Because
I don't know.
You will be.
I
There are
don't know.
rumors that you will be given the education portfolio.
Padra,
and church
you
is
see, I am
interested-
happy to be here
Yeah.
because you are not only talking about now you have from ministership you have reached portfolio also. So
No, these are, see, we are press.
boss, you have my word.
Yes.
You have my word. Till this minute,
Yes.
Nobody has spoken to me anything.
Okay.
Okay. Till this minute.
Okay.
You have not only spoken of ministership, now you have gone further and spoken of the portfolio.
No, anyhow, हें जर खरें जालें, तुका जर मिनिस्ट्री मेळ्ळी सगळ्यान पयलीं, तुका जर एज्युकेशन पोर्टफोलियो दिलो, तर तूं म्हणटलो अरे आमगे
If I get all this,
प्रेसाक सगळें कळटा.
I will say that Raju is a prophet. His prophecy is coming true.
नो बट दीज आर द रुमर्स की तूं आतां मिनिस्ट्रीन वतलो आनी तूं चर्चीक तुवें मातशी चर्चीक दुखयलां बिकॉज दे वे द पीपल हू गेव यू द टिकेट कन्विन्स काँग्रेस
Churchill didn't.
तुका
I
जिखून
don't
हाडपाक.
believe. I don't believe Church gave me the ticket, but I definitely believe Church supported me in my election.
Very good.
I
So
def-
church
I cannot-
supported you.
I cannot deny.
Church supported
No,
you
when
because
say-
तांकां एक
no, no,
anti
no, no,
BJP
no, no.
मनीस जाय आशिल्लो.
When you say Church supported me,
Yeah.
I don't believe the Church gets involved in politics.
Oh.
No, I don't.
But they certainly play a role.
Maybe some.
They certainly play a role.
No, maybe. No, I don't believe. I don't believe. And trust me, I am fighting election from '94.
Yes.
But I believe
Yeah.
that there are some priests
Yeah.
who might have walked an extra mile to help me. But church as an institute,
Yes.
according to me, they don't get involved in politics.
पण एक गजाल तुवें मान्य केल्या की चर्चीची गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन कामां असतात. They have worked with the
But
government.
everybody, you want to say your newspaper doesn't have work with the government? Why we are pointing to the church only? Church only.
Okay.
Church is the only
Church,
institute.
church is a big institute.
No, church-
Runs lot of institutions,
Church,
education.
church is not a big institute.
Schools
bro.
to
Church
everything.
is an institute.
Yes.
Everybody
Yeah.
has some type of work
Yes.
with the government.
Yes. Big because they are the
And
biggest
yes.
landlord. They are the biggest landlord.
I
They
don't,
run
I
the.
don't say I was,
they,
I was
they,
the
they
minister.
run a lot of schools.
I was the minister under Chief Minister Sardina.
Yes.
I was the minister under Chief Minister Digambar. I was the minister under Chief Minister Digambar Kamath.
Yes.
I've been an MLA.
Yes.
I have never ever been approached by the church for property matters, those type of never. Never. So I don't know where you're getting this idea that they've got a lot of property, they require government help for that. And as a minister, what can you do in a property?
Yes.
You go, church has an issue, they've got to go to the court and fight it out.
Okay. So Alesh Babu, तुवें आनी एक आतां सांगलें की certainly some priests have supported you.
I can count on my fingers how many priests supported me.
Yes. So good number of priests.
No, not good. I'm talking of counting on my fingers.
Okay.
So you can imagine how many
Okay.
priests. But I have well-wishers amongst priests. Okay. I don't know whether I can say I have well-wishers or I had well-wishers amongst priests.
My second question is on the same day. ह्या जाणी तुका सपोर्ट केलो प्रिस्ट तांकां तूं मेळ्ळा आफ्टर यू चेंज ओवर द
ना मेळना म्हाका
तूं मेळना
ना.
ओके सो तूं म्हाका सांग तुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तूं गेलो आपल्या लोकांक मेळ्ळो तांचे कडेन
I'm still meeting. Today I was in the constituency.
ओके सो
You see, when these people came to my house, my stand was very clear. In fact, you can confirm with the Mamlatar.
येस
I said I will meet people from Nuvang constituency.
येस
I will meet 5 people.
हो
I believe their demand was that no, it's not going to be Nuvang constituency. We want to go,
ओके
which I refused to. Had they to say 5 of them were willing to come meet, I would have welcomed them into my house.
ओके पूण ते म्हणटा आमी वचपाक सोदताले तूं
No,
घरांत
them-
पुलीस दवरले
I am police Doruna. I am police Apolna.
ओके
You see, one paper that I read, I don't know about the other newspapers, but one paper I saw, for example, the Goan.
ओके
Front page, headlines,
या
Morcha to my house. So police must have acted on that.
Oh.
Or the CIDs must have had information, they acted.
ओके
Boss, I am roaming till this minute
येस
openly alone.
हांवें तुका आतां भायर पळयलां
I'm alone.
येस
And I am not afraid to meet my people. Even to meet that crowd that came
येस
was no great deal.
येस
Because I don't believe anybody had the courage to come into my house and misbehave with me.
करेक्ट
But issue was, I said restrict to 5. I can't take that whole mob
you have
into my
already
house.
told them ki
I told them, Mamlata told them.
okay
If I don't know if you've got that part here, if you play that thing properly, you'll hear Mamlata Lakshmikant telling them he's willing to meet 5 people.
ओके सो आलेश बाब म्हाका एक सांग परत हांव तेंच सांगता विचारता की तुजी नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज प्रिडॉमिनंटली ए मायनॉरिटी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जांकां BJP बद्दल व्हडलें कम्फर्टेबल नासता ते BJP बद्दल मातशे खाकुट्टात.
No, I am telling you.
अशे वेळार म्हजो
Boss,
क्वेश्चन
I am confessing to you.
Yes.
It was a hard decision for me to take.
Yes.
Because I shared the sentiments of what you were expressing.
Yes.
I've thought over it. I've honestly given serious thought to it because it has been a major decision that I've taken.
Yes.
And keeping everything in mind, I thought this was the best decision.
So then you also consider this is going to be your last election?
No, why not? Why should I? When I reach
This is everybody is against. People are.
Who is against, man?
Your
These guys, if you look at these fellows who are here shouting, they've all lost their elections. There you can see that Savio
I
Silva,
know.
he lost his election. Captain Virat, he lost his election. That Olencio lost his election. Moreno lost his election. What are you telling me about them? They are this thing. They couldn't handle their own damn constituencies.
पूण मागीर तूं एक सांग म्हाका तुज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काँग्रेस जी पळय कितें आसा ती काँग्रेस ना
हुई.
तुज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कारण जर ह्या क्रावडान भितर जर तुजें
See, listen. The mere fact, see, I will tell you, in this crowd,
येस
there must have been about 15 people from Nuven constituency.
येस
Okay?
येस
Out of the 15 people,
Yeah.
if I may confess to you,
या
7 people Alesik were sent. Why did I send? I wanted somebody there to identify whether Raju Naik has come, whether he has come, who has come. I wanted somebody to identify. So I had somebody from each village.
येस
Okay, so this is one. Out of the people who were there, the balanced people,
या
yes, 3 have supported me.
ओके
Okay? The balanced people have never in my life ever supported me. So why do I take that tension? I'm happy at the outcome.
या
Why? Because there were no people from Nuve constituency. They had to import from Kansauli, from Veli, from Vasco, from Daboli. They had to import.
म्हाका आरेश बाब सांग की काँग्रेस ह्या इलेक्शनाक पडपाचें कारण कोण गिरीश काय गिरीशा बरोबर दिगंबर कामत बी
I do not know. I'm not going to name anybody, but I can only tell you the leadership
फेल्ड
failed.
येस लिडरशीप गोवा काय दिल्ली
Leadership Goa, leadership Delhi.
ओके पूण ताणें तुका तिकेट दिली
म्हाका उपकार केलो ना. They didn't do me a favor.
ओके
They made me dance for the ticket. My ticket was announced in the last list.
येस येस
And shame to tell you, I was supposed to be working president.
येस
Then
सो एक सांग म्हाका की जें कितें जालां तूं ताची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेना
ना, हांव घेना.
बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग
हांव घेना.
कित्याक
कितें हांव सांगत तुका.
हय
I've not spoken on your channel, but if you take some of my debates,
येस
right at the beginning, I've said, I do not know what is my role as working president.
हो
After,
I've seen it, yes.
after, prior to voting also I said, I do not know, even now after so many months, I do not know what is my role as working president. So if I had no role, what responsibility did I have? There were so many people, including some of those shouting here, whose tickets I opposed.
येस
Did anybody listen to me? Nobody listened to me.
सो आलेश बाब तूं आतां BJPन गेला
I was there and projected as a Catholic face. Beyond that, nothing else.
ओके ओके सो काँग्रेस इज नॉट ए सिरियस पार्टी
I am not saying Congress is not a serious party. Wherever I have reached, I can't deny the fact it is because of Congress party. I have the highest respect. I had the highest respect for Madam Sonia Gandhi. I have respect for Mukul Vasnik.
ओके
I have respect even for Mr. P.C. Chidambaram,
ओके
Eduardo Falero, Margaret Alva. Definitely, there are good leaders in the party.
राहुल गांधी
No, I have not had contact with him.
Oh,
I have
you
no
were
con-
working president and
I
Rahul
was
Gandhi,
working.
there was no
I
contact.
told you, I don't even know what is the role of working president.
ओके म्हाका एक सांग गोंयांत भितर 2 प्रवृत्ती काँग्रेस चलयताली एका अर्दान पार्टी चलयतालो गिरीश चोडणकार आनी दुसऱ्या अर्दान लेजिस्लेटिव्ह पार्टी चलयतालो दिगंबर कामत सो ह्या लोकां कडेन तुजे कॉन्टेक्ट येनाशिल्ले
Contact actually.
हय सो आतां यू कॅन
Both of them were together.
Both of them together.
100%.
So then, for the defeat of Congress, you also have to held responsible Digambar Kamath.
I have made a statement that the then leaders,
Yes.
I will not restrict it to Digambar Kamath and Girish Chodunkar only, that the
Yes.
then leaders were responsible for it. You assume whoever you want to be involved in it.
सो म्हाका एक सांगात की आजर तुजेर एक एलिगेशन आतां येतलें तें अशें की तूं फक्त पावराचेर वचपाक काँग्रेसीक तिकेट घेतली पावर आयलो ना तूं बीजेपीन गेलो.
No, that is not the truth.
So that should be-
I told you very clearly that at one point of time, I think at the beginning I said, I assumed that Congress party was coming to power.
Yes.
I assumed that Congress party was coming to power, and I assumed that yes, we would be able to deliver to the people. I today am disillusioned. We didn't come to power.
Yeah, पण आलेश
And seeing one, let me finish.
Yeah.
And seeing the good work being done by our Chief Minister in Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, I think the best solution for my constituency was to join the BJP. There's a saying in Portuguese:
yeah.
the hand you cannot cut, you should kiss.
Oh.
So I've kissed that
So
hand.
the other thing is there, if you can't avoid a rape, lie down and enjoy.
No, I don't compare it to rape.
Okay.
I don't compare this to rape.
Okay.
I don't believe I've been raped.
म्हाका एक सांग, काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी दीस आर दोन वेगळी वेगळी तोकां, रायट एंड लेफ्ट वर्च्युअली. अशे वेळार तूं काँग्रेसीन जाणें तुका एक घडयला एज ए पॉलिटिशियन, एज ए वर्कर, एज ए सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, आनी तूं सामको फॉर युअर ओन बेनिफीट टेकिंग ए स्टँड वीच इज व्हेरी व्हेरी ऑपोजीट.
Till this moment, I don't know what is my benefit in this whole deal.
You have become a leader.
No,
Otherwise,
no. In this, you're talking about jumping to BJP.
Yes.
I don't know what is my gain in that. Okay, so to say that you have gained and this and that doesn't arise.
Okay.
I have said at one point of time in your debate that wherever I am today was definitely partly because of Congress party.
Yes.
I've admitted it. I'm not going to say that wherever I am is because Congress party is because of Alais Kumar. No, I'm not saying that.
Yes.
Definitely the party has given me a platform, the party has given me a lift.
येस. म्हाका एक सांग, काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी हांचे फंक्शनींग इज व्हेरी व्हेरी डिफरंट. काँग्रेस थोडे तर तुका उलोवपाक मेळटा, तुका फाटल्यान एक प्रेशर नासता, अशेंच उलोवपाक जाय तशेंच करपाक जाय. हांगा दर इज ए प्रेशर फ्रॉम RSS, प्रेशर फ्रॉम
That is what you are saying. I'm just entering the party. I don't know their working. Let me study their working. You see, I've seen the party from outside. And I've entered it. Give me some time. I will. I've not heard about what you're saying that they hold a gun.
I know.
That they hold a gun on your head and say do this. No, I've not heard about.
म्हाका एक सांग आलेश बाब, हें कशें आसता ना, विश लोकांक खबर नासता न्ही पॉयझन कशें म्हणटा. सो तूं पॉयझन पिवन पळयता.
You are saying it is poison. For me, it is not poison. Why do you say it is poison? Please explain to me.
No, I'm not. I'm giving you an example.
No.
I have not tasted poison.
No,
so I will drink and
you
see.
have gone to that extreme to say poison. I am not going to consume poison. What is big deal in poison?
So तूं
you are talking about that.
म्हाका एक सांग.
I will tell you one thing,
Yeah.
which now you are going to be surprised to hear.
Yeah.
When I became an MLA, the first time,
Yeah.
I went for a CLP meeting, and I speak out.
Yes.
So I raised certain issues and I spoke out.
Yeah.
And then at one point of time, after the meeting, I was told by somebody, I am not going to take names.
Yeah.
Nobody has spoken like you before. So my reply was, if I can't speak to my father, if I can't express
Yes.
my views to my father, then to whom do I do it?
Good.
So I'm just entering this family.
तुका एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन म्हजो. तूं म्हणजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनीच ऑपोजीट कितलेशे लोक आहात, बीजेपीतलेच आहात, बाबाशाना सारको एलिमेंट आहा. अशे वेळार तुमी सगळे एकठांय जावन सावथ गोवा सीट बीजेपी खातीर लोकसभा जिखून हाडूंक शकतले.
Boss, when we reach the bridge, we'll cross it. Why you are thinking of that so fast? Elections are
But this is an
2024.
obvious question.
No, I
Obvious
agree,
question.
but my point is simple. When we reach the bridge, we will see how we cross the bridge.
थँक यू व्हेरी मच. आलेश बाब, तूं सामको बरो फ्रँकली उलयलो, आनी तूं जसो काँग्रेसीन तुवें म्हणलें फ्रँकली उलयतालो तसो बीजेपीन उलयतालो हें आमकां पळोवपाक जाय. आनी तुवें ह्या इंटरव्यू खातीर मुद्दम टायम काडलो आनी तूं फ्रँकली उलयलो. तुज्या हांव गोमंतक टीव्हीचे वतीन हांव उपकार मानता.
तुवें म्हाका पयलीं म्हणून तुका चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.